Riding in a vehicle is hands down the most dangerous situation that most children and adults face on a regular basis. However, children cannot comprehend the dangers of the situation. It is imperative that adults know how to protect children. Wyoming law states that children up to 9 years old must use a child car seat and ride in the back seat of the vehicle. There are exemptions to this rule. However, most children will need to use a child car seat of some kind up to the age of 9. So when can a child ride safely without a child car seat? Here are all the rules that assure your child is safe without using a child car seat. 1. Have your child sit in the vehicle without a child car seat and buckle their seatbelt. Next, be sure the child can sit with their back and buttocks against the vehicle seat back. Their legs must comfortably bend over the vehicle seat with their feet flat on the floor of the vehicle floorboard. And the seatbelt must not pose a risk to their neck, head, or abdomen area. Be sure the child has head support that goes up to or above the level of their ears. If your child does not meet all of the requirements, they still need to use a child car seat. Be sure the child fits the height and weight requirement of their child car seat. The child car seat will have the weight and height requirements listed on the side of the seat, typically in English and in Espanol. If your child is under the age of 9 years old and riding in the front seat when there are seats available in the back, you may be held liable for child endangerment if your child is hurt in a crash. And even though the law states we must do this until the age of 9, the safest place for your child is the back seat up to the age of 13 years old. Let's take a look at what happens when a buckled child in a rear-facing car seat is in a 15-mile-per-hour crash. Here's what happens when an unbuckled child in a forward-facing car seat is in a 15-mile-per-hour crash. There is a prime example within these videos as to why keeping your child buckled and rear-facing as long as possible is imperative. Understanding the proper way to use a child car seat can be confusing. Reading through the vehicle's owner manual and the child car seat installation manual is typically imperative to be sure the car seat is compatible with the vehicle and installed correctly. Luckily, there are numerous YouTube videos to help, and safekids.org can even help you find a certified child passenger safety technician that can inspect your child's car seat. These technicians go through nearly 40 hours of training to learn about different seat types, vehicles, seatbelt systems, and the importance of correct installation. This video and this information is just a small sample of everything that you need to know. There are too many other factors to list in one video session, so when in doubt, reach out to someone to assure your child is safe when traveling in vehicles. This has been Noel Cooper with Injury Prevention Resources, asking for simple things. Wear a seatbelt, pay attention, and drive sober. Think about our lives, and as they say, don't go down that road. Thank you for watching our virtual traffic safety session. There's many more to come.